Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Kamar. In this video, I am going to discuss about marketing strategy of toothpaste as my presentation topic for marketing management. So let's start the video. We are going to new toothpaste brand enamel cap. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our strategy tactics, market analysis, marketing strategy, marketing mix, and distribution. So let's start with introduction. It is about it is about our new toothpaste brand enamel cap. It is unique. It is all purpose. That is all in one. Fights cavities, eliminates bad breath, leaves a great taste, refreshes, extra whitening, protects the enamel. Our strategy and tactics. Mainstream marketing stress how superior it is over others, intense distribution and low prices, aggressive sampling, get dentist involved. Market analysis. In market analysis involves demographics, competitors, and SWOT analysis. uh, discuss about demographics. Baby boomers causing surge in sales for the whole family, lower class to middle class. Competitor analysis. In this, Unilever brand has 37% of share in market. Uh, Procter and Gamble has 11% share in the market, and Colgate Palmolive, which is market leader, with 52% share in the market. What are the strengths? All-in-one experience, caters to mass market, more for same pricing. And what are the weaknesses? New company, customers perception, and the name itself. Then what are the opportunities? Rising oral care awareness. The all-in-one experience will attract buyers who want more than just one feature. Focusing on dentist as distributor. Threats. Presence of competitors with strong customer loyalty and very high market share. Entering for the first time. Chances of failure will ruin the product image forever. Unaware customers. Then marketing strategy. Serve the need of all toothpaste customers. Comparatively costs lower than other toothpaste. Through distribution, it will be the most accessible toothpaste sold, which meets the needs of uninvolved customers. Our goal, our short-term goal, maximization of market share, hoping to take the lead in the toothpaste market 2 years after launch. And long-term goal is holding the lead by being innovative and continuing to deliver high-quality product. Then a marketing mix, product enamel cap, positioning statement. Our product offers an all-in-one experience for everyone in the family at a price that's attractively affordable regarding the qualities and attributes it offers. Price. Regarding price, the expected average manufacturer list, manufacturer net, and retail price across all the channels are as follow. List price is rupees 25, manufacturer net price is rupees 15, and expected retail price is rupees 55. Then marketing mix. Promotion statement. Enamel cap protects you from dental mashup. What are putting what are you putting on your teeth? Promotion through traditional marketing and e-marketing, keeping in view the different trend cycle, and will also be based upon the timing, in which month, what to do, promote, and how. Online services will be provided. Sampling. Sampling will be carried out as it is a popular marketing effort. Samples will also be available in grocery stores and shopping centers. Demo booths will be set up for a representative to offer customer a chance to try product and and feel the difference it offers. Then advertising, billboard, print media, magazines, newspapers, pamphlets, television, radio discounts, and special offers. Discount will be made on purchase in bulk by the merchandiser and for customers in different seasons on different occasions. Special offers will be also be made as to retain the customer loyalty. Toothpaste will be distributed through different channels to every superstore, drugstore, and malls where our potential buyers are likely to purchase from. Food stores. Food stores are important channel for distribution. Family members come all together for monthly or weekly purchases, which involves children and parents both as a choice makers or a family. Influencer. The amount of shelf space for our product will be formed where it can be easily seen by everyone. The sale would also be enhanced by our attractive labeling and packaging. Drugstores. Drugstores have increased the amount of shelf space of toothpaste. Our distribution will also be focused on medical stores where supply of our product would highlight the main unique selling position, that is the enamel care, the protection coat for teeth, mass merchandiser dentist who better to sell the customers our fine product other than the people who are expert on dental care. Target market. Our product is targeted for every type of customer because everyone uses toothpaste, and since our product is so amazing, it will be targeted towards everyone. It will be aggressively advertised under the advertised line, what are you putting on your teeth? So this is all about our new toothpaste brand, Enamel Cap. Thank you.